What is up, guys? TechRex here, and in this video I'm gonna potentially do my most dangerous YouTube test that I've ever done on my channel. I have a Galaxy S4 right here. You guys can see this is a legit phone, frost white or white frost, whatever you want to call it. Anyways, what I'm gonna do with this is I'm gonna test this phone out with a chainsaw. This is a 60 horsepower chainsaw, the newest one right now available out in the market, or at least in my country. I'm gonna cut this on the side and see what happens. You know, I have no chainsaw experience. I don't know what to expect, so whatever happens, happens. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so the Galaxy S4 is stationary on the vise. You guys can see there's the unlock screen. I'm gonna go ahead and unlock it. Just to show you guys, here are all the icons. Fully working phone. Let's go ahead and chainsaw this baby up. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and check out what happened to the S4. I had to actually clean out my camera lens because it got all glass shards everywhere on the lens. So I haven't touched anything. I'll just show you guys what happened. You could see the front end of the Galaxy S4 screen that I went ahead and chopped off. There's the camera. There's the middle. Looks very tasty, I know. That's the front end. This is what I was working on. The last shot, you guys can see I was going through right on this side and then in the middle. Let's go ahead and see what else we have here. So we have the battery, and I actually noticed that this sprung out of the phone when I just started chainsaw, starting to chainsaw the phone. This actually just, flew all the way onto here from all the way there. Looks like we have a piece of the case, or the back cover. A whole bunch of just scrap metal. Oh, what is this? Quite possibly the SIM card holder or tray, whatever. I don't know. Oh my god. So here's the side view. There's like a wire sticking out of the phone. I'm not sure what that is. Let me take out this thing so you guys can see the entire phone. Okay. So, here's the phone. Oh, okay, so wow, the button still works perfectly fine. And clickable. This looks pretty cool if you think about it. I was so close to chopping this middle off, because I came around from this end, and then I stopped, and then I flipped it over and tried to go this way. I actually just ended up cutting the front half. But I mean, like, I could sell this on eBay. This is pretty cool. So that's pretty much it, guys, for that video. I hope you guys enjoyed that chainsaw test. If you guys want me to chainsaw something else with this guy, let me know down in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and as always, peace out.